KBR is a global leader in logistics, supply chain, and contingency operations, and provides a broad range of worldwide services for U.S. and allied forces during combat, peacetime, and stability operations. As the team behind the mission, KBR can deploy at a moment's notice and provide mission-critical support anywhere in the world. KBR is the LOGCAP Northcom contractor and provides full lifecycle services to the National Training Center, or NTC, located at Fort Irwin in the California Mojave Desert. NTC serves as the premier training center for the U.S. military. Behind the scenes, KBR works around the clock to ensure the success of training cycle rotations. Every year, 8 to 10 brigade-sized units rotate through NTC, a dynamic environment for our troops to simulate real-world scenarios, from urban warfare to desert operations. Tens of thousands of soldiers hone their skills in the U.S. military's premier training environment. Units spend about 2 weeks of their month-long training at NTC in what's called the box, the most realistic training environment the U.S. Army has to offer. This field training requires a massive fleet of vehicles and equipment. Through the LOGCAP contract, KBR supports and supplies the vehicle, fuel, and ammunition. KBR also provides logistics and other essential components to ensure each unit is fully equipped for its training rotation at NTC. From setting the grid, to equipment maintenance, to training operations, KBR is there. KBR plays a pivotal role in equipment management, ensuring the timely issuance, resupply, and maintenance of critical assets. From generators to HEMTs, KBR's dedication keeps the U.S. Army well equipped for any challenge. This includes briefing soldiers, issuing thousands of pieces of equipment, and locating, inspecting, testing, and signing out assigned vehicles or equipment. Upon completion of the process, the vehicles and equipment are the unit's responsibility for the remainder of the training. Logistics is the lifeblood of military operations. KBR's expert teams meticulously plan and execute complex logistics, seamlessly coordinating the movement of personnel and equipment. This ensures that the Army can focus on their mission without worrying about the intricacies of supply chains. Training is executed in a simulated battlefield environment in which KBR monitors all sustainment actions. Maintenance is the backbone of operational readiness. KBR skilled technicians work around the clock, conducting repairs and preventive maintenance on a wide array of equipment. Their dedication ensures that every piece of machinery is in peak condition, ready for the rigors of training. Once the training cycle is complete, the equipment is returned to the field maintenance area, where the final step, called regen, begins. Monitoring all actions within the training area is a critical task. KBR employs cutting-edge technology and skilled personnel to oversee and analyze training operations. This real-time monitoring enhances situational awareness, contributing to the overall success of training exercises. KBR stands proud as a dedicated partner, ensuring the U.S. Army's readiness for any mission. From equipment management to logistics, maintenance, training support, and beyond, KBR is the team behind the mission. Learn more at kbr.com.